Hello. Today I'm going to be doing a battery replacement on a Tineco S3 series FW050100US. Okay, we got this unit here. We're going to go ahead and remove this cover here, and then we need to remove this white cover. It's a few screws, but the first thing we need to do is remove the handle.
Auto mode, low battery, please charge.
Oh, it's turning on.
Power off.
Okay.
Auto mode, low battery, please charge.
Why are you turning on, sucker? Okay, so we need to remove this handle. So the button here, you push it. Come on, one handle. I need to pull it down here. There we go. Get the handle out. As you can see. And it's only showing 1% here. Still on, but that's okay. We'll just leave it on. Alright, let's move these tanks out of the way. Get them out of the way here. Okay, let's get rid of this handle. Okay, so we got some screws here we got to remove. There's 5 there. Flip it over, and then we've got quite a few screws here. Let's turn on. All right. You can use a Phillips screwdriver. You can either use a drill or you can use a screwdriver. All right, let's go get this thing loosened up. So we need to remove these screws. Look at those. Okay, I'm still hanging on here. Get this thing magnetized a little bit. There we go, got it. All right, let's just flip this thing over. Okay, we got a couple more screws here. Okay, so we need to remove these screws. Look at those. Okay, I'm still hanging on here. Get this thing magnetized a little bit. There we go, got it. All right, let's just flip this thing over. Okay, we got a couple more screws here. Okay. This thing's hanging on now. Alright, that pops right off here. Alright. And we got the silver screws here we got to take off. Because we got to get this white piece off because the battery is right behind here. Push that right up there. Get that screw out. Push it up. Don't push too hard or it'll break. You don't want no stress fractures or anything. It's off, but find a little tool like this. All this is just, this is actually for putty, for doing cracks and stuff. They work just as good. But you can use a screwdriver too. But just kind of just pry this up. Oh, actually I got some more screws I have to do. Okay, that should be good enough. I know, probably didn't even go to anything, but stuck here. Come on, still got it off. All right. Get that piece off, and here is the battery. Right here. There's a few different wires here. Those out from behind this here. Okay, we'll disconnect it. Alright, and then you're gonna need a pair of pliers to squeeze. Excuse me. There's little tabs here. Cover that back up so we don't get no connection. We should be fine, but always safe. Better to be safe than sorry. I mean, the battery is dead, but it is a battery, and we don't want no fire. That plastic coating on it. Alright, and then same thing. This one, see there's a little nub right there. You just kind of want to get your pliers on. Here we go, it's off. It'll come off really easily. You don't have to pull very hard. You don't want to pull too hard because you can end up breaking one of these off. I mean, they were on there pretty tight, but you know, I just want to be careful. So here's the battery. So this is the bad one. Go ahead and right on this one. It's bad. I guess I need a different pin. It's a green one. Pink. Let's see if the green lights up. There we go. Bad boy. Okay. Just gonna put this to the side. And grab the new battery. It's the same battery. Okay. It's right down in its pocket, and we'll go ahead and hook the ground up. Okay. It's locked into place. Just make sure you're not going on either side. You want to pull it to make sure it's locked into place. And it'll just pop off if it's not locked into place. And there we go. I heard the snap. It was locked in. Make sure your covers are down all the way. And then go ahead and plug in this. No explosion, no fire, nothing. We're good to go. So before we get that on, what we want to do is make sure these wires are pushed back down in place. There we go. Grab the cover. Pull that. We'll just wiggle everything in place. Okay. Come on. There we go. A little bit more. Oh, too much. So I'm going to have to grab a little bit of a screwdriver here to kind of line it up. There we go. Okay, grab the screws. Put these silver screws back in place. Okay. 2 more silver screws here. I'm gonna let the dogs out. Sorry about that. Okay, we got those screws on. Now let's put the black piece back on. And it should just fit right on top. And those are black screws. 2 at the top. Two in the middle. Flip it over. I didn't even need to take those out. Those didn't connect to anything. But, you know, there's nothing wrong with trying, you know, just taking out more than you need to. The reason why is just in case you do have, you know, some plastic connected. If you ream too hard on it, it'll actually break the tabs off, and you don't want to do that. And then we gotta do 1 more, 2, 3 more screws. Oops. There we go. We got it done. Go ahead and put the handle back in. Make sure you have it the right way. I'm gonna set it up here. My camera's kind of positioned kind of weird. It's on a tripod. There we go.
Auto mode.
Okay. It says 86%. So I'm gonna go chart it, see if I can get up to 100%. And if we do, that means it works and it's ready to go. All right, thank you for watching. I hope you learned something today. If you have any questions, please just put a question in the comments area. And thanks for hanging out with me, and have a great day.